Okay, let's look at the homework 4.1, 4.2, number 15, right? All right, so effective rate. So effective rate or APR is given as this effective rate. So I'm going to call it ER is equal to quantity 1 plus annual nominal rate R divided by N, which is the number of compounding periods per year, raised to the N minus 1. Right? So if it's annually, which means that N equals 1, right? So which means that effective rate is actually the same as the nominal rate, but let's just compute it. So you see that it's going to be a quantity 1 plus, right? Annual nominal rate is 8.5%, which means in decimal 0.085, right? Divided by 1 raised to the first power minus 1, right? So we don't really need a calculator. 1 minus 1 cancel out. So what you get is 0.085, right? So this is the effective rate, which is same as the annual nominal rate because N equals 1. Part B, semi-annually, which means that N is equal to 2, right? So we compute the effective rate. Effective rate, if it's compounded semi-annually, so it's going to be quantity 1 plus 0.085 over 2 raised to the second power minus 1, right? So let's compute this, right? Bring out a calculator, all right? So we're going to have quantity 1 plus 0.085 divided by 2 and parenthesis raise it to the second power and minus 1, right? So get that. So this is about 0.0868. All right, and the effective rate for quarterly is so this one is N equals 4. So effective rate is 1 plus 0.085 over 4 raised to the fourth power minus 1. All right, so let's get these value. So it's 1 plus, right, 0.085 divided by 4 raised to the fourth power minus 1. Right, so this came out to be 0.0877. Right, and the last one monthly, which means that N equals 12. Right, effective rate for that one is quantity 1 plus 0.085 divided by 12 raised to the 12th power minus 1. All right, so that's going to be, right, quantity 1 plus 0.085 divided by 12, raise the whole thing to 12 and subtract 1, right? And it came out to be 0.0887, 0.84. Right? Right, so let's type these in. Okay, so annually is a percentage, so it's going to be 8.5, right, 8.50, and the semi-annually 8.68, and quarterly was 8.77, and last one is 8.84, right? So let's check the answer. Right, it came back and we got them all correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.